Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we will explore how Odoo transforms downstream oil and gas operations from refinery, dispatch, and fuel distribution to inventory management, sales, logistics, and retail station operations. Discover how Odoo's integrated ERP platform helps companies streamline workflows and gain real time visibility, improve compliance, and boost operational efficiency across the entire downstream value chain. Whether you are managing bulk fuel deliveries, lubricants, storage terminals, or retail fuel stations, this video shows you how Odoo can simplify and automate your business operation. Let's dive into the future of downstream oil and gas management with Odoo. Let's get into the oil ERP, and you can just head into the configuration settings, and there you can see that we have a dedicated section called refinery operation, where we can manage the downstream of the oil and gas ERP. So here I would like to enable the inspection and checklist. This enable the manufacturing inspection orders and checklist engine. And you can also just enable the manufacturing base, that is the refinery manufacturing and POM. Let me save the changes that we have made. The inspection and checklist in the downstream sector, the transition from bulk manufacturing to the marketing ready distribution is one of the high risk and high precision. The inspection and checklist module ensures that every batch of the refined product, whether gasoline, diesel, or jet fuel, meets rigorous quantity and safety standards before it leaves the facility boundary. By integrating directly it into the refinery production line, the module acts as the automated safety gate, preventing the accidental distribution of substandard product and ensuring a seamless audit trail from the manufacturing order to the final laboratory sign off. So the main purpose of using this module is that the inspection module manages the quality life cycle with the refinery environment. So let's see how can we create an inspection order. So for that, you can just see as we just enable the features under the refinery, we'll be getting a dedicated menu to manage the refinery operation. Click on the refinery operations and choose quality orders. So we can here manually create the inspection orders. You can see that we can provide the name, the manufacturing order, the inspector, the inspection date, and everything. So before that, let's move on to the refining. So under the refining, you can see that we have the manufacturing orders, and you can just maintain the refining from here. You can see the refining is currently filtered based on to do. If you just want to filter based on any other the filters or group by, you can just do it. So the manufacturing module in the oil ERP provides a fully integrated downstream production environment built on the top of the Odoo manufacturing engine. It enables the oil and gas companies to manage bills that's the bill of materials, and create and track manufacturing orders, record byproducts from refining operations, and maintain quality standards, all from a single unified interface. So the main purpose of using this module is that this streamlines the refinery productions, provide a standard bill of material, track byproducts and residuals, and it also shows the real-time inventory visibility. So here you can see that you can just manage the bill of materials, and that defines the raw materials, components, and sub assemblies required to manage the finished goods. So in the oil ERP, BOMs are tightly integrated with the refinery operations workflow, allowing operators to define product compositions for crude processing, blending, and other downstream activities. So once the manufacturing base is enabled, a dedicated bill of material menu appears under the configuration refinery operation, which is shown over here, and this provides a quick access to the BOM, and you can just easily manage everything from here. So currently you can see that we have one of the manufacturing order in the draft state, And if you want to just manage anything from here, you can see you can directly manage it. Okay, so currently let me make it available, the table like over here. So I'd like to set the quantity. Now once it's done, you can just back to the manufacturing orders and let's confirm the order. And here you can see that we can generate the serial number, and we just need to plan, so that that will be planning to the work order. Now we can just produce all. So let me click on produce. So you need to stipulate lot or serial number for this. Okay, we can just start the process. And once it's done, you can just click on tick mark and it's finished. So under the serial number, you would be able to find the serial number which is generated. And under the overview, you can just get to know all the details regarding this, which product is being manufactured finally, and what all components are required to manufacture all these products, and from where the operation has taken place. Everything can be gathered under the manufacturing order. Now you can just move on to the refinery, and under the refinery here you can see that we have the quality orders, and let me create a new quality order. You can choose the person over here, and yeah, let me add the checklist. Like if it's critical, you can just enable it. If you just want to provide any guideline, or if it's pass or fail, you can just go ahead with it. So we can say that quality check. So once it's done, you can save it. And here you can see we can just start the inspection. So it will be moving to the in progress state as we just provide the result as pass, that will be taken over here. And if it's failed, we can just mark it as failed. So let's move as mark as failed, and you can see that the inspection over here. Okay, so you can set the quantity that to be moved into scrap. You can provide the scrap location over here. So let me choose one of the scrap location from here, and let's confirm it. So the operation cannot be completed, missing fields under the product ID. So here we cannot do it. So we have to give a valid the storage, quantity over here. And here currently you can see that the inspections is being given. As we just said, the result has passed, nothing will be failed over there. So you can just go ahead with passed, and you can see that it's been moved into the pass state. So it's that simple to manage the downstream in Odoo. Odoo community module. No third party or license is required. So basically we can say that the manufacturing orders, which is refining, that is the MOs, represent individual production intents, and in oil ERP, refining manufacturing orders are accessible through the refinery operations, and this is basically um, used for the production entry point under the oil ERP header for streamline navigations and operations clarity. So that's all for today. And if you just want to just get to know the refinery dashboard, you can easily find it over here. You can find the active refining orders, the completed refining orders, the late orders, the pending orders. If you just want to refresh this, you can simply do it. The quality pass rates can be found over here, and you can see the manufacturing order status, the top manufactured product, the inspection outcome, the most inspected product, operational insight. Everything can be viewed from here. So that's how we manage with the downstream in Odoo 19 community. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.